seller and have not reached the buyer's possession as well. Termination of transit. By delivery to the buyer, his agents, interception by the buyer. Interception means the act of catching. When buyer or his agent obtains the delivery of the goods before their arrival at the appointed destination, hence the transit comes to an end. Acknowledgement to the buyer by carrier, courier company that they are holding the goods on buyer's behalf. Then also transit comes to an end. Part of delivery of goods. If the part of goods are delivered to the buyer, then the transit comes to an end for the remainder of goods as well. Rights of resale. The unpaid seller has the right to resell the goods. Condition of resale. When the goods are perishable nature, then unpaid seller can resell them immediately without the notice to the buyer. But in case of non-perishable items, unpaid seller needs to send notice to the buyer for selling them. Where unpaid seller gives the notice to the buyer and buyer still don't pay for it. Where the rights of resale is reserved, mentioned in the contract if contract clearly specifies that reselling can't be done or vice versa. Buyer becomes insolvent, buyer fails to pay the price of the goods. Rights of unpaid seller against buyer. Suit for price, suit for interest and special damages. Here suit can be filed in for interest and special damages, where the interest will be paid on the amount of the deal between seller and buyer of the choice discretion of the court. Suit for damages for non-acceptance. Suit can be filed against the buyer if the buyer wrongly refuses to accept the goods. Suit for breach of contract. Rights, remedies of buyers against sellers. Suit for damages for non-delivery, suits for interest and special damages, suit for specific performance, suit for breach of contract.